In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Google Workspace Essentials to Google Workspace Business Standard. This process is great for users who are ready to expand their business tools and take full advantage of what Google offers in their more advanced packages. So let's dive right in and guide you through these steps. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Workspace. This should be a familiar starting point if you're currently using Essentials. The journey begins here as you'll need to access the admin console. The admin console is essentially your control hub, where you'll make all the necessary changes and manage your account settings. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your business email. Make sure it's the admin email associated with your Google Workspace account. After entering your email and password, go ahead and click Next or Sign In. It's crucial that you're using the admin credentials because these are required to access the billing and service options. Attempting this with a standard account won't grant you the proper permissions to make changes. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on that, and within this drop down menu you'll find several options. You need to locate and click on the admin icon. This will take you to the admin console dashboard. Now, once you're in the admin dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the billing section. Billing is the place where you manage all your subscription services with Google. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area because it's going to be crucial for upgrading your services. Within the billing section, you'll find a tab labeled Get More Services. Click on this tab to view a list of available upgrades and add-ons for your account. Scroll through the options until you find Google Workspace Business Standard. This is the service you're hoping to switch to, so you'll want to click on it to proceed with the upgrade. At this point, you'll see the option to upgrade. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the upgrade process, moving you from Essentials to Business Standard. Finally, you'll need to click on Next and proceed to checkout. Here, you'll confirm your billing details and review the terms of the upgrade. Make sure everything looks correct before finalizing your purchase. Once you complete this step, your account will be upgraded, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits of Google Workspace Business Standard. And there you have it, a seamless transition from Google Workspace Essentials to Google Workspace Business Standard. I hope this guide made the process straightforward and simple for you. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy your new enhanced workspace capabilities.